Linked list cycle 141 lead code question. In this, we're going to see if a linked list is in a cycle. Like for example, 3, 2, then 0, 4, and 4 is linked to 2. So if I see this dot next, it will constantly be showing something. It will never go null. So how do we find if it is in a cycle or not? If it's in a cycle, it should return true, else it should return false. That's the whole question. And we know that every list node will have two things, value and the next node information. So here we adopt the two pointer approach. One we call it as the hare and another is a tortoise. Both will initially point to the head node, and while hare is not equal to null and hare dot next is also not equal to null, we keep moving the hare at a 2x speed, that is hare dot next, and tortoise at 1x speed, which is tortoise dot next. And in that while loop, if we don't find it, then we return false. I've gone through the whole thing, but there was no loop, so I come back and give false. But if I encounter tortoise is equal to hare, then that means somewhere the hare is in the forward and tortoise will be at the back. When both are the same, then it means that it is in a cycle and it is true. So that's the whole logic behind finding 141 linked list cycle. I hope this was helpful. Please do try and let me know in the comments if you find this approach as good. And this is less than O of n, so the best approach to solve this. Thank you.